Today we are headed to school. No, I know it's boring, but you gotta go. You gotta do what you gotta do. So what's today? Are you okay? Today is the last day before what? Spring break, right? And what does that mean? No, nothing. Okay, sounds good. So today is the last day of school before spring break, and it's raining. It's pouring rain, which is insane. But that's how we do in California. Crazy, crazy weather. Mason, are you gonna have a good day? Yeah? Okay, let's get ready to go. Going to school. You ready? You want to put your book in your bag? No? Do you want to put your book in your bag? Is pumping gas not the most boring errand in the world? I hate doing this. I really do try to convince my husband to do it, but no, I'm still doing it. So this is the day. This is how it's looking out there. And I really wouldn't mind, except for I have a bunch of stuff to do today. So, that kind of sucks. Does anybody else feel really creative and want to paint or write or just bunker down and listen to music and get inside of your head and be creative when it's rainy and stormy like this? I'm totally in the mood to just sit at home, drink a hot cup of tea, and do some writing. But I can't do that. I have responsibilities. I have to be an adult and be a mom. So yeah. All right, I'm gonna go in the store. So full disclosure, I'm somebody who completely kills every plant that I buy. However, I've bought 10 plants in the last month and they're still alive. I'm plant obsessed. Does anybody know what these two plants are and if they're safe in my care? Tell me if I will kill them or not. Please, somebody comment below. Tell me what these are. And then I went to Target, and these were just some really cute bookends that I saw at Target. I don't have a really big, beautiful bookshelf. I wish I did. My books are just sort of in a closet on a shelf. But if I did, I would have bought the pineapple and this amazing bicycle. I'm obsessed. Target had some really awesome things. I am on a budget, so I didn't buy anything, unfortunately. I was just doing that mom thing where you casually roam the aisles quietly and stare at everything that you wish you could buy at Target. Yeah, that's what I do a lot. I do like their candles. I have not bought this brand before, but they do have a signature soy collection that I like a lot. And this is actually one of my absolute favorites. It's the Coastal Linen. I'm going to be doing a favorites video shortly, so watch out for that. What should we do when we get home? You were thinking what? Play stuffed animals, huh? Maybe. What are you waiting for?
Do ghosts? What happens if ghosts come out at morning?
What happens if ghosts come out in the morning? I don't know. I think that they can come out whenever they want. What do you have?
Rocks.
Cool. What are you going to do with those rocks? Uh-oh. What are you going to do with them? With it being so gloomy, I wanted to head home and make something that was bright and colorful. So in this pan, I put some bell peppers and some zucchini, and I added some tofu. You could add chicken or any other protein that you like, but I'm a vegetarian, so that's what I chose. And then I like to add in this Trader Joe's Thai green curry simmer sauce. It's so good and it has a lot of flavor. It's not super spicy. You can definitely add more spice if you like, but I find that it's just perfect. So you can warm this through and leave it as is and eat it over rice if you like. But what I like to do is I like to add a can of coconut milk. So the one that I had was this Trader Joe's organic coconut milk. And I like it because it has a pop top. That's the main reason why I buy that one. So I add that coconut milk in, and then I just sort of let it simmer for a little bit, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and it turns into almost like a soup. So you can add rice to this or just eat it as is, which is what I did tonight, and it was so delicious. It's probably one of my favorite things to make, and it's really quick and easy. After dinner, I relaxed with a glass of wine and a book and went to bed. Said no, Mom, ever. No, I had to do laundry. Tons and tons of laundry. On this night, I had brought down the big basket from upstairs, and I had to tackle that massive amount of laundry. So lately, I've been using this Method laundry detergent, and I got it at my local grocery store on sale for $1.99, which is why I've been using it. And I like it because it has a pump, but I'll probably fill it with my favorite laundry detergent once I'm through with it. If you'd like to see a video of all of my favorite cleaning products, then definitely comment below. I would love to make that video for you. So I'm going to end it here, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much to everybody who subscribed. I've gotten about 20 new subscribers this week, and it makes me so happy to know that you guys are enjoying my content. Also, if you haven't subscribed or hit the bell notification yet, please do so. Next Friday, I'm going to have a collaboration video, and it's going to be a cleaning video with a bunch of other awesome ladies here on YouTube. So I can't wait to see you then. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.